Today, we're diving into one of the most seriously underestimated forms of exercise out there: Pilates. Why is it that people wait until they're over a certain age or recovering from an injury before they explore the amazing world of Pilates? Whether you're new to it, tried a class and thought it was just stretching, or you're curious about how it can totally transform your body and your mind, this episode is for you. I will break down everything you need to know about Pilates, including the different types of Pilates, the incredible benefits for recovery, aging, strength, posture, and stress relief, and how to start your Pilates journey with confidence. If you're looking for a way to improve your body and your mind, Pilates could be the missing link. Learn how Pilates supports your hormonal health, joint mobility, back pain relief, and emotional wellness, all without high impact stress on your body. It is my belief that Pilates is for everyone and should be practiced by everyone. Welcome to the Body and Mind Centre. I'm Lindsay, and it's my mission to make health and wellness accessible to everyone. From my weekly educational and empowering podcasts to my weekly workouts. So let's get started. Let's start by looking at the seriously underestimated workout, Pilates. Pilates, in my professional opinion, is one of the most underestimated workouts. It often gets labelled as a gentle workout, and it can be, but don't let that fool you. I've had lots of customers recently talk to me about lower back pain, and every time I ask them if they do Pilates, their responses were, isn't that for older people, Linz? No! Pilates builds a deep functional strength, improves mobility, stabilises your core, aligns your posture, and creates incredible mind-body connection. It's just, sadly, people often find Pilates when they are tired of injuries from high-impact workouts, struggling with back pain, stiffness, or feeling disconnected from their bodies, frustrated by fitness routines that feel draining instead of empowering. But Pilates meets you where you are, and it strengthens you from the inside out. But it's my hope to help people find the power of Pilates before they need it and use it before it gets to the stage of need. So, what is Pilates? Let's go back a step and take a look. Pilates was invented by Joseph Pilates in the early 20th century. Pilates was originally designed as a rehabilitation system for injured soldiers. Today, it's known worldwide as a low-impact yet powerful method of movement focused on the 6 key principles: concentration, control, centering, flow, precision, and breathing. In short, it's about moving intentionally, efficiently, and with strength. It's not about pushing your body, it's about honouring it. It focuses on engaging the core to stabilise the spine and improve posture, while simultaneously lengthening and strengthening muscles throughout the body. This holistic approach addresses underlying structural imbalances and promotes overall physical well-being. let's look at the different types of Pilates. There are two main styles of Pilates that you might come across. Mat Pilates, using just your body weight and maybe some small props like bands or balls on a yoga mat. Think core strength, stability, and flexibility. And the other one is Reformer Pilates. This involves a machine called a reformer with springs and pulleys that add resistance to your movements. They can look intimidating, but it's amazing for building strength and proper alignment. Both styles have incredible benefits, and both can be modified for beginners, injuries, pregnancies, and lots more. So now that we know what Pilates is, let's look at some of those amazing benefits on both the body and the mind. Your core engagement. Pilates emphasizes engaging the deep core muscles, including the abdominals, back muscles, and pelvic floor. These muscles help stabilize the spine and improve posture, making Pilates beneficial for individuals with lower back pain or spinal deformities. It's also great for flexibility and range of motion. Pilates incorporates stretching and lengthening exercises to increase flexibility and improve range of motion. This is achieved by activating muscles in their stretched state, allowing for deeper stretches with less chance of injury. Another thing it's good for is body awareness. Pilates encourages a heightened awareness of the body, helping individuals become more attuned to their posture, their alignment, their balance, and movement patterns. This awareness is cultivated through controlled movements and focused attention on the body's response to its exercise. So it's also good for improved posture. By strengthening the core and postural muscles, Pilates helps to improve alignment and reduce slouching or forward head posture. This can lead to less pressure on joints and improved overall posture. So another thing it can help with is your muscular balance, because Pilates addresses imbalances in the body by incorporating unilateral exercises. Exercises that target one side of the body at a time. This helps to strengthen and even out muscle development, improving overall body balance and reducing the risk of injury. It's great for overall physical function. By strengthening the core, improving flexibility, and promoting body awareness, Pilates enhances overall physical function. This can lead to improved coordination, balance, and efficiency in everyday movements, really. And yes, it can aid recovery. For me personally, when I had my hysterectomy, Pilates and walking was my immediate go-to exercises. When I had my 6-week follow-up appointment, my surgeon was amazed at my recovery speed. Pilates isn't just a workout, it's a full mind-body health practice. So you might be thinking, hey, I'm certainly not going to wait till I get to a certain age or until I'm recovering from injury before I get started on my Pilates journey. So here are some good to know things before you get started. Some instructors run a Pilates fitness style class where the focus is more intense and the goal is to really get the body toning, strengthening, and sculpting the body. And some instructors run a Pilates mobility kind of style class where the focus is more on those who need a gentle approach and whose goal is recovery, mobility, and suppleness. For that reason, it may take you a couple of tries to find the class and level that you are particularly looking for. It usually helps if you reach out to the instructor first if you're considering a face-to-face class. If you're looking at online and YouTube videos, then it's unlikely the instructor will let you know in the video description. But regardless what style of Pilates you are looking for, follow these 5 guidelines and you should be fine. So number 1, start slow. Pilates rewards consistency, not speed. Number 2, focus on form. It's quality of movement over quantity. Number 3, you might shake. That's your stabilizer muscles waking up. Don't panic. Number 4, listen to your body. Now, that may seem really strange, but some moves feel strange at first, but they should never cause pain. And number 5, progress happens with patience. Trust the process. And the best part, you don't have to be flexible, strong, or fit to start Pilates. You just have to start. With lots of community classes and online videos available, now everyone can enjoy Pilates. And guys, you should. As I bring this episode to a close, I wanted to remind you that your body is your home for life. Pilates isn't about forcing it to be something it's not. It's about strengthening, nourishing, and loving it exactly as it is right now, while gently helping it grow stronger and more capable. It's not about waiting until something is wrong until you seek its benefits or reaching a certain age. If you've ever tried Pilates, then drop me a comment and let me know what you thought. Guys, I want to thank you for joining me today. If you're ready for some more empowering workouts, wellness tips, and body-mind transformation, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community here at the Body and Mind Centre. And if there's something else you want to learn about, make sure you let me know.